In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create responsive pricing cards with CSS, including a featured plan that instantly stands out. Inside the body, create a main container with the class pricing container. This container will hold all the pricing cards and keep them grouped together. Inside the container, create the first pricing card. Add a heading for the basic plan. Add a paragraph with the class price to display the monthly price. Create an unordered list and add 3 feature items. These features describe what is included in the basic plan. Then add a button labeled Sign Up. Next, create the second pricing card. Add both the pricing card and featured classes. The featured class will allow this plan to stand out from the others. Add a heading for the Pro plan. Add a paragraph for the price. Create another unordered list and add 3 feature items. Then add a Sign Up button. Now create the third pricing card. Add a heading for the Enterprise plan. Add a paragraph with the price value. Create another unordered list containing 3 features. These features represent everything included in the Enterprise plan. Finally, add a Sign Up button. This structure creates 3 pricing plans with consistent content and a highlighted featured plan. Then link your HTML file to the CSS file in the head section. Start with the body element. Set a dark blue background color. Use Display Flex to activate Flexbox. Center the content horizontally with Justify Content Center. Center it vertically with Align Items Center. Set min height to 100 viewport height so the layout fills the screen. Remove the default margin and apply a clean font family. Now target the pricing container. Set Display to Flex so the cards appear in a row. Enable Flex Wrap to improve responsiveness. Add gap to create space between the cards. Use Justify Content Center to keep everything aligned. Add padding around the container. Next, style the pricing card. Set a white background color. Add padding for internal spacing. Apply border radius for smooth corners. Center the text. Set the width to 250 pixels. Now target the price element. Increase the font size. Make the text bold. Apply the same dark blue color used in the layout. Next, style the unordered list. Remove the default bullets. Remove default padding. Add margin above and below the list. Now target the list items. Add vertical padding. Apply a light bottom border to separate each feature. Next, style the button. Set a dark blue background and white text. Remove the border. Add padding and round the corners. Set the cursor to pointer. Make the button take the full card width. Now style the featured card. Change its background color to dark blue. Set the text color to white. This helps the featured plan stand out. Next, target the price inside the featured card. Change the color to white. Now style the featured button. Set a white background and dark blue text. Finally, target the featured list items. Change the border color to a lighter blue shade. Responsive pricing cards, clean design, and a featured plan. Subscribe to DevFix for more CSS tutorials.